The iPhone 6 battery replacement directions. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from directfix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at directfix.com. Begin by completely powering off your device. Using a SIM card removal tool or similar item, remove the SIM card. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of your phone. Place a suction cup on the bottom portion of the screen and begin to carefully pull the screen up. Remove the 5 screws shown in the red circles in order to disconnect the screen assembly. And now, using a case opener tool, carefully disconnect all 4 screen assembly cables. Two screws secure a small shield covering the charge port and battery connectors. Remove. You may now carefully disconnect your battery. Using a large case opener tool, remove your battery. You can now place a replacement battery into the frame and connect to the motherboard. Secure with a shield and 2 small Phillips screws. With your battery installed, you can now reconnect your screen assembly. Secure with the shield and 5 small Phillips screws. Place the screen into the frame, secure with 2 small pentalobe screws, and install your SIM card. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from Direct Fix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.